my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with my gloves, Macrame Elegance, and we're gonna go again. I just made a beautiful painting. You can see the colors here. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna change the colors. This is a double bloom in our series, double bloom series. And where's my gloves? Well, you know what? Okay, let me take off my ring. I can't find my gloves. No gloves today. So our colors, we're going to start off with Persian Rose by Amsterdam. And then we have mint green, Aqua Flash, plus a little bit pearl white. Then we're going to use this little pigment, which is Sangria mixed with Show Pony. We have, this is the one I'm going to use, which is different. Instead of the peridot green, I'm going to use Amsterdam yellowish green. Then we have this little piggy, watermelon. Love that color. I don't know why, but I do. And then we have Golden's phthalo green, and this is the blue shade. They have the green, yellow shade, and this is the blue shade. I like this one. And I'm going to be using Payne's Gray Cell Activator. This is a 12 by 24 canvas. I'm going to be using Glidden's Essentials white pillow paint. So let's get that on. Go. I hope everyone is well. It's always those corners that's harder to get. It always flies off the ends, but it's the corners that are kind of the last to go. All right, I think that's good. I have more paint. Okay, let's start off with our Amsterdam Persian Rose. Gonna make it right. When I first started doing my blooms, these double blooms, I was doing it more off here, but I want to see more of the blooms, so I'm doing it right here. I'm gonna put a good amount. Persian Rose. And our mint green. And our Sangria, this little pigment mixed with Show Pony. Put lots of that on. And now we're gonna go for our yellowish green by Amsterdam. And how about some watermelon? I do like this. You probably get tired of hearing me say that. I do. I like this color. And then last we have our Golden's phthalo green, the blue shade. Okay, we are ready to blow. I'm gonna use Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Did some beautiful lacing in the last one. All right, here we go. Let's start on our next one. Let's do it again. do it right here. That pink is always bubbly. Persian rose, mint green. And how about our sangria, the show pony. And in this one, the lime green didn't show up too much. I'm going to put a little bit more on this time, just for the fun of it. Watermelon. Lots of that. And then our golden phthalo green blue shade. One last pop. Payne's Gray Cell Activator. All right. Let me blow just this a little bit here. This is really pretty. Oh, no, I didn't want to get the white. That's okay. I just wanted to add a little interest there. Now this definitely needs time to cell up. In the meantime, I probably will need to pop. No, not too many white spots this time. Oh, look at all that. That's really pretty. Okay, I am going to spread out the paint. Add a little extra there. Okay, that turned out really pretty, and this I really love. So I might kind of do that a little bit because I don't want to lose that so much. So I like the lacing, and that's right pretty. And yeah, you kind of have to look and see what do you want to sacrifice, because you will be sacrificing. not sure what this is coming up here. Kind of some strange circles. I think I'd like to get a little bit of this off. So I'm going to spin it some more. I wonder if it's the pearl. I'm not sure. Pretty. That's so pretty. Okay, I am going to spin just a little bit off because I want a little bit more of that off. Okay, that's good. I wonder if it's the yellowish green. It's kind of doing something strange here. I'm not sure what it is. I might have to touch it up. I didn't do it on my last one, and I changed the paint, the yellowish green. So I think it's doing something a little strange. And after, yeah, I think so. Amsterdam yellowish green. Why are you doing that? But I can always fix it after it dries. But I do love it. And especially after I fix some of this, I'll show you. I'll get you down for a close-up and show you what it's doing, my friends. There's one white dot. Let me try to get that. I do love the colors. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Yeah. All right, let me take you down for a close-up. So after the painting dried, it dried beautifully. I decided it needed some more added color. And I also want to correct some of the colors which have kind of broken up. So I worked on this for quite a while, for maybe 45 minutes or so, adding color. So I used a glaze by Golden, their gloss glaze. I mixed some acrylic paint with the glaze and then water, and made a runny mixture. I used a brush for this, but I also used all my acrylic markers and my super tips also, watercolor markers. I would kind of put on the marker and then rub it with my finger and it blends it nice, or a brush. So it added, I'm very happy with the end result, and it added a lot of color and fixed a few spots. I had a little bug, tiny little insect that I couldn't get off, and so I just painted over him. Oh, sorry, bug. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. The end result is beautiful.